We'll guide you through how to change your Wi-Fi password using your phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So by default, your Wi-Fi password is usually something quite complicated and long and hard to remember. So we're going to guide you through changing it to something you can easily go and remember, because then you can give it to guests and they can easily go and join, and you don't have to go and find the password. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, as we're giving you important information throughout. So to go and get started, what we need to do is we need to go and swipe up, and you need to go and find your settings. Search the top of needed for settings or swipe across. When they open up, you then need to come to the top and you need to go and find the option for connections, and you need to go and tap there. Then go to Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi you want to do it with. Press the gear or cog icon to the right. Then you want to go and find the option for Manage Router. Now, if you can't go and see this option, don't worry. You just need to go and look on the back of the router or in the manual and go and find the router's IP address. And you can then go and type that in Chrome or another web browser. But the Manage Router button is much easier to go and get to the panel. So go and press Manage Router and you'll go and see it puts the IP in at the top. Go and wait for it to go and load. You may go and have this little warning sign. This is because it has not got an SSL certificate. Now, what we need to do is I'm just going to pinch to zoom in here. You need to enter in the username and password. You can go and find these on the back of the router or in the manual. You can either go and search online for the default password for the model and make of the router, but usually you can find it on the back. So I've actually got the save password here, but I'm still going to type it in for you guys. Let me just go and tap on username. So I can go and type in admin. So that's going to be the default username. Yours will probably be the same. And the password can then go and be something quite random of letters and numbers. As I said, go and find it and enter it in. You can then go and press login like so. Now go and wait for it to go and load. Now this is mainly made for desktop, so it can be a little hard to navigate. But what you want to do is go and pinch in over to the left like so. We need to go and find network. So you want to go and tap that there like this. And then you can go and see wireless. We need to go and find the wireless settings. So I can see it for the different bands here, 2.4 and 5. So I can go and repeat this for my different bands. So I'll start with 2.4. You can then come over to the right here and scroll down and go and find WPA key. So you can tap there, and then what you can do is go and remove the current password and type in what you want it to go and be. After you've then done that, you want to go and press save at the bottom. And because I have multiple wireless networks, I'm going to repeat that. So I'll then press wireless 5 GHz to the left, and then we can scroll down and go and find WPA key and tap in here. You can then remove the current password and type it in. I like to have this the same as the other one. And then what you can do is go and press save, and that's it. You've now successfully gone and changed the Wi-Fi password using your phone. So the next time you go and join, you'll go and use the new one you just set. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.